Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 18th, 2025, and we're diving into Varex's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Varex, a leader in X-ray imaging components, has just released their Q4 and full year 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Varex reported a fourth quarter revenue of $229 million, which is an 11% increase year over year. John, how does this compare to the expectations?
Varex's revenue not only met but exceeded expectations, particularly in their industrial segment, which saw a 25% increase. The adjusted EPS for the quarter was 37, significantly beating the forecasted 18 cents by the sole analyst covering the stock. This indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management.
That's impressive. What about their full-year performance?
For the fiscal year 2025, Varex achieved a revenue of $845 million, up 4% from the previous year. Their non-GAAP EPS for the year rose by 73% to 90 cents, showcasing robust growth across their business segments.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on Varex's operational efficiencies and their outlook for the next fiscal year?
Absolutely. Varex's non-GAAP gross margin for Q4 was 34%, a slight improvement from last year, indicating better cost control. Their operating margin also improved to 10%. Looking ahead, Varex expects Q1 FY2026 revenues to be between $200 million and $215 million, with non-GAAP EPS guidance ranging from 5 to 25 cents, reflecting cautious optimism amid market uncertainties.
How does their cash flow position look?
They generated $8 million in cash flow from operations in Q4 and $42 million for the full year, which is a solid position to support their growth initiatives and manage debt obligations.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Varex has been focusing on strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their key growth areas?
Varex's medical segment revenue grew by 5% to $152 million, driven by global CT tube sales. In the industrial segment, revenue surged by 25% to $77 million, thanks to their cargo systems business. They've also advanced in photon counting technology for CT and successfully launched a radiographic detector from their new facility in India, which are significant milestones for future growth.
It sounds like they're well-positioned in the market. How do these initiatives impact their competitive edge?
These initiatives not only enhance their product offerings, but also strengthen their market position by addressing emerging needs in medical and industrial imaging, setting them apart from competitors.
Balance sheet and financial health. Let's discuss Varex's balance sheet. How does their financial health look?
Varex ended FY 2025 with $155 million in cash and equivalents, down from $213 million the previous year, primarily due to paying down their convertible notes. Their total assets stand at $1.1 billion, with liabilities at $620.8 million, indicating a stable financial position to support ongoing operations and strategic investments.
What does this mean for their debt management?
Paying down the convertible notes reduces interest expenses and strengthens their balance sheet, providing more flexibility for future investments and growth opportunities.